So nagpasalamat mi nga nadayon na gyud. Yung mga hindrance sa performance sa municipality tungod kay walay plano ang munisipyo na ikapakita para sa mga investors, mga business owners o business minded person na invest. So wala kayo mga insakto nga basihanan. So nagpasalamat mi nga nadayon na gyud mga next year siguro mura o Hall of Famers na ang serious niya, no? Kaya mo lang din yung ulang.
Wala ang normal. Okay, so thank you very much for including adaptive capacity.
Ay, wala pa sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll be here on time and I know ba natin on time so we must need to adaptive capacity and then napag-iupan ang critical facilities. I already have a data from sa video, si Joey, tagaan ko. So ako na lang prepare karong gabi sa exposure and hazard sa critical point facilities, lifeline, urban areas, and natural resources. Urban areas and katong productive areas. Katong agri. So what, no? By tomorrow. By the way, katong adaptive capacity, halos wala na itong makita sa surveillance except for access to information. Katong access to information under adaptive capacity, kung na smartphone, na access to information from spots or TV or radio, no? But the rest, like PWDs, wala. So I think ako na yun na katong willingness for household to retrofit their houses or willingness to relocate, wala sa CBMS. Katong the government willing to invest on kanang mitigation, wala po na siya. So I think that's it. Okay.
So, continuous workshop?
Yeah, continuous workshop with adaptive capacity with katong other critical facilities, urban areas, katong mga commercials, and then lifeline and protected areas ng agriculture.